Hello and welcome to this website. In this video I'll talk about our IT services as SEO, web design, consultancy, ERP software, CRM applications, custom software, cloud software, e-commerce applications on-premise and online. The reports generated by Cloudway, an ERP software based on cloud platform for Microsoft Windows Azure, help the manager in decision making. Some of them are useful in accounting department, employees or clients. The following reports are available. Cash register for cash operations highlighting the house. Register operation on a centered account, e.g. bank account. Invoices sorted in a given range, displays in ascending order by date of invoice, all invoices interval. Client situation generates a report of invoices issued by the client in a given interval and the corresponding payment and those invoices were appropriate, making practically a balance of payments for that client. The client situation can be viewed online by the customer if he authenticates with the user and password provided by the supplier. Invoices unpaid. Report showing all invoices unpaid or partially collected. It has a variant or partial unpaid invoices received on client choice. You can connect your virtual stores to Cloudway, thus ensuring their management of backend. If you already have one or more websites for sale online, they can be connected to Cloudway to ensure the billing, payments, track inventory in real time on one or more management issues. You can secure access using any mobile device. Cloudway platform allows you to issue and send invoices, check inventories and sales reports directly from your mobile phone or tablet. With Cloudway you have control of billing activities. If you want to know more about it, please contact us through our contact mail at publicity.online.2012@gmail.com, and thank you for watching this video.